What is your connection to Sherlock Holmes? How many friends do you imagine he has?
This is my friend, John Watson.
You look taller in your photographs.
Take the precaution of a good coat and a short friend. All that matters to me is the work.
Somebody loves you. Well, if I had to punch that face, I'd avoid your nose and teeth too.
Well, why would you listen to me? I'm just your friend.
I don't have friends.
Wonder why?
This is what I said before, John. I meant it. I don't have friends. I've just got one.
You have to stay with him, John.
It's heartwarming. We'll do anything for him.
My brother has the brain of a scientist or a philosopher, yet he elects to be a detective. What might we deduce about his